Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome back to another video. Right, today is 30th of September, and I'm gonna share with you all some of the updates that's actually happening in the middle of the week during the financial markets. Right, so first of all, let me give you an idea on the investors actually drove the US dollar lower ahead of the first presidential debate between Donald Trump and former Vice President Joe Bidden. The overall sell-off in the equities and also treasury yield and the currency tells us that the investors are worried that the debates with polarized voters further and cause more uncertainty. While debates rarely win elections, they can be an important turning point in adding or subtracting the momentum. President Barack Obama's famous comeback in his last debate sealed his win against Republican Mitt Romney, while Hillary Clinton failed to put away Trump in 2016 by not being aggressive at all. As my colleagues and we were actually discussing about that, it looks like it that this is gonna be turned out to be an unexpected surprise on 3rd of November. But however, we will wait and see what it will be, because given the both men bench marks and also the stories that they have been telling, it is really anybody's call as how the debates will pan out to be, right? So we just finished the debate and there was a lot of arguments like usual, right? That was actually happening between both of them ahead of debate. Like earlier, you see that just yesterday, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, which no surprise considering both of them to reopen the economies, but because they are able to combat the second wave of COVID-19, right? So I have got this US dollar DXY index right in front of me. Looking ahead on the price section analysis, as you see that guys, over here we did analysis. The dollar actually was kind of gaining is a little bit of steam, but I see that for now any pullback from how I see that dollar will be strengthening again, because from here I see that it is actually falling back to this particular zone, and then it can actually trend higher again. For example, there, let me just connect these lows, right? So it can actually come down a bit from here and then shoot up again. So I see the forecast for the dollar still remain to the upside, right? As you can see here, let me just draw this back on an H1 time frame for your clear understandings. That was what we're looking for, is on daily chart, but I would like to share it with you on H1, right? As you can see here, from here I see that it could be coming down a bit more further. Let's say on intraday basis, I expect that dollar will be weakening, but we have got non-farm payrolls, right? So anything could change this week. So this week is going to be another roller coaster, because then we have got non-farm payrolls coming up on the way, which will be which can change a lot of things. So that will be the final employment report before the presidential election. So guys, look at that. Looking at the current price action, as I see here, it's going to come back and then make its way back to the upside, right? So that's why I see that the current price action that is developing in DXY, right? You know, price action analysis is always my favorite topic to talk about. That's why I want to share with you also now Dow 30. How is it performing? 1 second. Dow 30, it should be here, right? So DXY, Amazon, and yes, right here. No, not this one. Just give me a moment. Dow 30, or we can say US 30 or Dow Jones. Right, so I think we're having some issue here. We can check on this later. Let's just go to the others in the watch list. We can actually have a look on this. Some of the currency pairs. Let's just say for the Visa also, we see that it's still making a bit of correction. It's going to make a pullback, and then we will see this to be lifting up to the upside. However, our bullish signals remains intact for this. So all in all, I see that today is which is Thursday, and we are still developing the uptrend on this on Dow 30. So I see on here, let's just say here, I'm actually very much interested to know about Euro USD as well. Like I was talking about it earlier, that even though there has been the rising cases in euro, but ahead of the presidential debate, euro actually had a retracement as we forecasted. You see, we forecasted on this. So for now I see that it's gonna come back. However, wait for our London session, we will be posting more updates over there. So my topic was about Dow 30. As you could see that Dow 30 has completed this pattern that I was talking about earlier in the week, and now it is actually playing around this critical zone. From here it will decide whether it needs to fall back or whether it needs to bounce up again, because the current price action is giving us some sort of corrective bearish signals, but we are not sure yet. Why? Because we need to see more development structure, because the price is still it has broken this resistance. This could be another correction from here and then going up from here, or all the way back to here, right? However, we will monitor it closely and we will keep you posted on the upcoming outcome. All right, so guys, that's all for today. We have got most I would say that more tips and more structures of discussion to be discussed later. Do not forget to watch our London session forecast, whereby we will scan out the whole market today and give you the best possible trading opportunities. Signing off for now. That's all for the day, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you and bye bye.